And welcome to our comprehensive training on materials control, manufacturing, packaging of dosage forms, and manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredients, API. In this module, we will explore the critical processes involved in the control of materials, the packaging of various dosage forms, and the manufacturing of APIs. These processes are foundational to ensuring the quality, safety, and efficacy of pharmaceutical products. Let's dive into each of these essential areas. Materials control is the first step in ensuring the quality of pharmaceutical products. It involves the careful management of raw materials, packaging materials, and finished products. Key elements include supplier qualification, ensuring that all suppliers meet stringent quality and regulatory requirements before materials are accepted. Receiving an inspection verifying that incoming materials meet predefined specifications and are free from contaminants. Storage conditions, maintaining appropriate environmental conditions such as temperature and humidity to preserve the quality of materials. Inventory management, utilizing robust systems to track and manage inventory levels, ensuring that materials are used within their shelf life. Material sampling, implementing sampling procedures to test materials before use, ensuring they meet all necessary quality standards. Effective materials control is crucial for preventing contamination, ensuring compliance, and maintaining product integrity throughout the manufacturing process. The manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredients, or APIs, is a complex and highly regulated process that forms the core of pharmaceutical production. It involves several stages, including synthesis, the chemical process of creating the API from raw materials. This stage requires precise control of reaction conditions to ensure the correct molecular structure and purity. Purification, removing impurities from the synthesized API through various techniques such as crystallization, filtration, and chromatography. Drying, removing solvents and moisture from the purified API to obtain the final product in solid form. Milling, reducing the particle size of the API to ensure uniformity and ease of incorporation into dosage forms. Quality control, conducting rigorous testing to verify the identity, purity, potency, and stability of the API before it is released for further processing. Each step in API manufacturing must adhere to good manufacturing practices, GMP, to ensure the safety and efficacy of the final pharmaceutical product. Dosage forms are the means by which APIs are delivered to patients. They come in various forms, each designed to optimize the delivery and absorption of the active ingredient. Common dosage forms include tablets and capsules, the most common solid dosage forms offering convenience and stability. They are designed to release the API at a controlled rate. Liquids, solutions, suspensions, and emulsions that provide an alternative for patients who have difficulty swallowing pills. They allow for flexible dosing, injectables, sterile dosage forms administered directly into the bloodstream, muscles, or tissues. They offer rapid onset of action and are critical for emergency treatments. Topicals, creams, ointments, and gels applied directly to the skin or mucous membranes. They provide localized treatment with minimal systemic absorption. The choice of dosage form depends on factors such as the API's properties, the route of administration, and the patient's needs. Packaging is a crucial step in the manufacturing process that protects the dosage form, ensures its stability, and provides important information to the patient. Key considerations in packaging include primary packaging. This is in direct contact with the dosage form, such as blister packs for tablets, bottles for liquids, or vials for injectables. It must protect the product from environmental factors like moisture, light, and oxygen. Secondary packaging. This is additional packaging that groups primary packages together, often used for branding and providing additional information. This includes cartons and boxes, labeling, ensuring that all necessary information, such as the product name, dosage instructions, expiration date, and storage conditions, is clearly visible on the package. Tamper-evident features. incorporating features that indicate if a package has been opened or altered, ensuring the integrity of the product. Regulatory compliance, ensuring that packaging meets all regulatory requirements, including child-resistant features and compliance with labeling regulations in different markets. Proper packaging is essential for maintaining the quality and safety of pharmaceutical products until they reach the patient. Control of the manufacturing process is critical to ensuring that each batch of pharmaceutical product meets the necessary quality standards. Key aspects include process validation, demonstrating that the manufacturing process consistently produces a product that meets predefined quality attributes. In-process controls, monitoring and controlling critical process parameters in real time to ensure that they remain within specified limits. Batch records, maintaining detailed records of each batch, documenting every step of the manufacturing process and any deviations that occur. Environmental monitoring, ensuring that the manufacturing environment, particularly in clean rooms, meets strict standards for air quality, temperature, and humidity. Final product testing, conducting final tests on the finished product to ensure it meets all specifications before it is released for distribution. Strict control of the manufacturing process is vital for producing high-quality pharmaceutical products that are safe and effective. Quality assurance, or QA, plays a pivotal role in both the packaging and manufacturing processes. It ensures that all activities are performed according to established procedures and that the final product meets all quality requirements. Key QA activities include standard operating procedures, or SOPs, developing and enforcing SOPs that guide all aspects of packaging and manufacturing. Inspection and testing, conducting inspections and testing at various stages of production to identify and address any issues early in the process. Deviation management, documenting and investigating any deviations from established procedures to determine the root cause and implement corrective actions. Continuous improvement, using data from inspections, audits and testing to identify opportunities for improving processes and product quality. Regulatory compliance, ensuring that all packaging and manufacturing activities comply with local and international regulations. QA is essential for maintaining the integrity of the pharmaceutical product and ensuring patient safety. The pharmaceutical industry faces several challenges in API manufacturing and dosage form packaging, including regulatory changes, keeping up with evolving regulatory requirements, and ensuring that processes and products remain compliant. Supply chain disruptions, managing risks associated with the global supply chain, including delays, shortages, and quality issues. Technology integration, incorporating new technologies such as automation and digital monitoring to enhance efficiency and ensure product quality. Sustainability, implementing eco-friendly packaging solutions and reducing waste in the manufacturing process. Best practices to address these challenges include continuous training, ensuring that staff are regularly trained on the latest regulations, technologies, and best practices. Proactive risk management, identifying and mitigating risks throughout the supply chain and manufacturing process. Innovation, embracing new technologies and approaches to improve product quality and operational efficiency. Collaboration, working closely with suppliers, regulatory bodies, and other stakeholders to stay ahead of industry trends and challenges. By adopting these best practices, organizations can overcome challenges and continue to deliver high-quality pharmaceutical products. In this module, we've covered the essential aspects of materials control API manufacturing and the packaging of dosage forms. From the careful selection and management of materials to the precise manufacturing of APIs and the meticulous packaging of finished products. Every step is crucial for ensuring the quality and safety of pharmaceutical products. By understanding and implementing these principles, you play a vital role in delivering safe, effective, and high-quality medications to patients around the world. Thank you for your commitment to excellence, and we look forward to seeing you in our next module. See you next time.